Can you marry a stingy rich man? She thought marrying a rich man would liberate her and her family from poverty. But she was shocked to realize that there's an association called the Association of Stingy Men. She saw the signs during courtship, but she said it does not matter. She married a rich man who makes millions of dollars, but has never changed her wardrobe ever since they married. Some partners don't want to establish you because they want you to continue to beg them forever. And that is why you must not go into marriage with the intention that he's going to save you out of poverty. You have to have something to bring to the table. Otherwise, he will look down on you. He will disrespect you. I know of a woman who her husband disrespects, look down on her, treat her like a piece of trash because she have nothing to bring to the table. She begs him for everything, literally everything. For everything. So he look down on her, disrespect her, treat her like a piece of trash, makes her feel miserable. If you don't want your husband to disrespect you, to treat you like a piece of trash, to pour spit on your face, then you must have something to offer to bring to the table. Your husband disrespects you because you have nothing to bring to the table. Do you support him emotionally, financially, or anyhow? Or do you just take from him? Ever since you knew your partner, what have you contributed to make them a better version of themselves? Don't just show your body. Your body is not for business transaction. It's for your husband. No man deserves to see your nakedness or to sleep with you apart from your husband. And this is why men avoid you. They avoid you not because you are ugly. They avoid you because you are very rude and proud. Firstly, no man wants to marry someone who cannot submit to him. Secondly, even though you are very beautiful, your pride and your rudeness makes you ugly in his sight. Beautiful, yet men avoid you. This is why. He liked you because you were beautiful. But the moment you opened your mouth and spoke silly words and folly, he disliked you instantly. And this is why he avoided you after approaching you. Because you are so proud and rude. No man wants to marry a woman who believes she is the queen of her empire and cannot submit to a man. If you are proud or rude, no man wants to settle with you. And dear sister, don't despise him because of his old shoe. Don't despise him because of his big trouser. Despise him because of his teeth. Don't despise him because of his current situation. You don't know tomorrow. Tomorrow he could be another Pella, another Davido, the next Ronaldo. He could be the next Neymar. He could be the next Pastor Jerry Eze. He could be the next the world we welcome with to celebrate. There were people that, there were ladies that despised Ronaldo when he was younger, and they said he can't amount to anything because of his level. But today he's great. So don't despise him because of his current circumstances. You don't know tomorrow. That man you are insulting because of his broke today might own real estate tomorrow. Bugatti, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, might do deals in billions with companies. Don't look down on him today. You don't know tomorrow. He might be the one that will lift you and your family, your generation from poverty. The person you despise could be your destiny helper tomorrow. Joseph was in the prison today. The next day, he was the prime minister of Egypt. He might not look like it, but he will be it. So don't despise him. Okay? Don't despise him. Don't despise him.